Today we're going to replace the stock radio of a 2002 Tundra with a Clarion radio. First thing you got to do is right above the vents there's two Phillips head screws, and then there are also 3 more under the caps for the air conditioner, and you can take all those out. Once you do that, this whole console comes out. There you go. And that just falls out. Once you do that, you take 10mm socket and take out all the bolts on the edges of the radio on the bracket. Once you do that, the radio will pull right out. Behind here, got 2 connectors, pull right out. And there's the stock radio. Once you take the stock radio out, as we did a second ago, you have to go under the heating and air control, and your amplifier box is inside there, and it's got 2 brackets with screws on it. You have to take it out, and on the bottom the 2 wires that you need to connect into need to be disconnected and wired to your new wiring harness that you hook to your new radio. And all that, and once you take this out, you don't even need it anymore. So I'm gonna throw mine away, or at least throw it out. I'll probably keep it, but that was probably the hardest part of this whole deal, because that was something I wasn't expecting. So once you do that, you can bring all your cords back into here, and next thing we'll do is just take the original brackets off the radio that hold it in and connect the old brackets to the new radio, and we'll be ready to just plug it right in and go. Once you get the brackets placed on the original factory brackets placed on your new radio, you can also connect your wiring harness and your antenna, and just stuff all the cables back under there, make sure nothing's pinching, and it should fit in there just fine. You take your original screw or bolts and put the radio back in. Once you get that finished, you can just place your console or your panel back in. It pops in on 4 little clamps on the inside, and then you can replace all 5 of the screws. Then you can replace your knobs. Now let's see if it works.
I know. To hold me close.
There we go.
Yeah, baloney, a woman's love, the good cell phone.